Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Chronicler, Law Boss himself with that song called Check Your Details. Check Your Details. So we're going to check your details on here with the GSA. You don't know, so Chronicler drop a song every other day or every day. We can't keep up with Law Boss song them. So I'm not bother react to them, dog. We can't keep up. There's too much. All right? So probably give you 2 Law Boss today. So let's jump in on that one. The one on the first go. Check Your Details, Law Boss. Let's go. Panda.
Whatever. 90s, the matic in
Shade creative, big up.
When me say Rev on the way the punk Kawasaki.
Ooh, then girl look goody, man.
90s, the matic in every party. When me say Rev on the way the punk Kawasaki.
The matic in every party. Even when girl not the song, the man still a sing so. The matic in every party. When me say Rev, I know Rev with the pan Kawasaki. Rev are the 90s done from them time there. Big up yourself, Rev. Big up yourself.
90s, the matic in every party. When me say Rev on the way the punk Kawasaki. Yeah. Plug out but the weed and the NSC a charge white you.
Plug out but the weed and the NSC a charge me. Jesus Christ.
Yeah. Plug out but the weed and the NSC a charge white your force match with any top. Now works with the gun pan belly fat. One Law Boss, no replica. Girl them no yet we let me say take you back.
Yeah, one Law Boss. One bumbuckler Law Boss. That is facts. The boss tell us say, yo, him Air Force, him white Air Force match with him top or him a rear. So any top, it have to match with the Air Force. You don't know. You see me? Then the boss that say, girl not hate him like Mr. Take it back. Girl hate man give give girl thing and take it back, you know. Girl hate man give girl thing and take it back. Yeah, man, someone of a move, man. Move for man.
One Law Boss, no replica. Girl them no hate we like Mr. Take it back.
No.
Yo, Louis V shades, check your details. 3X, you're careful of female.
Bumbuckler, Louis V. That's not Louis V, me can take you off. Louis V shades, check your details. 3X, you're full of beer females. That's how I saw you roll. Yo, Law Boss just can't put on the badness, you know. Even when girl in the video, the boss still out. Yo, just check it out. Just check
Louis V shades, check your details.
Yeah.
3X, you're careful of female.
Yeah.
Book a villa with pool and beach near. How the NC there? My blood clot blind to me enemy though.
Blind to the enemy them. What mean is there? Me blind to the enemy them. Me blind to the pussy them. Learn me blind youth.
How the NC there? My blood clot blind to me enemy though. Me not have time for jealousy me friend. My life nice and money on me. How the NC there? Book a villa with pool and beach near.
Big up the editor. Big up the editor. Even, let me tell you, say, even in a one girl song, where, well, our video we're full of enough girl tonight. The boss have a matic and I'm on with the extension clip, but look at the art. Art broke. The art broke, you see me? Even that.
How the NC there? My blood clot blind to me enemy though.
Yeah.
Me not have time for jealousy me friend.
None.
My life nice and money on me. How the NC there? She starts struck down no officer. You're just bad mind pussy all if you.
She just starts struck when she see the G. She just starts struck when she see. She don't know what if she dumb up. She call up. She freeze. Like she call up. She don't know what to say. You with your bad mind. You fit. Yeah. Yeah. Pull up. Bumbuckler. A Law Boss, you know. A Law Boss is bumbuckler. You can't do this one time. No sir. No. No sir.
Whatever.
Squad.
90s, the matic in every party. When me say Rev on the way the punk Kawasaki.
Nope.
Yeah. Plug out but the weed and the NSC a charge white your force match with any top. Now works with the gun pan belly fat. One Law Boss, no replica. Girl them no yet we like me say take you back. Yo, Louis V shades, check your details. 3X, you're careful of female. Book a villa with pool and beach near. How the NC there? My blood clot blind to me enemy though. Me nah have time for jealousy, me free. My life nice and money on me.
Yeah.
Already Hennessy there. She starts struck, don't know if he said youth, you're just bad mind, pussy all if you dead. Like how man I rise down so nice. Palm angel, pump shirt tag. Upgrade shoes, price past 30 yard. But too bad talking, me no pearl out.
That was full of metaphors and similes, yo. Fuck, yo, we can't keep up with the bars.
Like how man I rise down so nice. Palm angel, pump shirt tag. Upgrade shoes, price past 30 yard. But too bad talking, me no pearl out. Why you say you're a girl that murder? Mama we praise killer like server. Think.
What you say? You're a girl that mama we praise killer like server. So you might tell you so you girl them like bad man. If you're not a boss gonna do certain things, the girl no want you. Girl just now wet over you. Move and go. You know about that. That's what the G say.
Why you say you're a girl that murder? Mama we praise killer like server. Think too loud, them a murmur. Heart name high socks murder. Heart well jeweled with no go.
Me know me gonna miss a lot what him say in that song, and me know. Until me listen back to it again, me know me gonna miss a lot, but lavas, man.
Think too loud, them a murmur. Heart name high socks murder. Heart well jeweled with no rust like old cat. Enough gun coulda start turf war.
Yo!
We praise killer like server. Think too loud, them a murmur. Heart name high socks murder.
Art name Ice, ask Smirnoff Ice. Get it? Alright, art name Ice like Smirnoff. We catch up at it. Let's go.
Like server, think too loud, them a murmur. Heart name high socks murder. Heart well jeweled with no rust like old cat. Enough gun coulda start turf war. White Air Force match with any top. No works for the gun pan belly for. One law boss, no replica. Girl them no hate we like Mr. Techie back. Yo, Louis V shades, check your details. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you can't full of female. Book a villa with pool and beach near. How the Hennessy there? My blood clot blind to me enemy there. Me nah have time for jealousy, me free. My life nice and money on me. How the Hennessy there? She starts struck, don't know if he said youth, you're just bad mind, pussy all if you dead. Like how man I rise down so nice. Ready fi go fuck up in the party. When you see bloodline, then I run me Marty.
Ready fi go fuck up any party. He's ready. Him ready fi go fuck up any party. No joke. Yeah.
Ready fi go fuck up in the party.
Sure.
When you see bloodline, then I run me Marty.
Remy.
Any gun with up on the artist. I feel up dopey like my gold gathering. Mama just
Oh, Bukla.
any gun with up on the artist. I feel up dopey like my gold gathering.
So I want to tell you right to say, yo, any gun with upon him, after you have dopey. The boss gone active. So it after you have dopey like him gathering. You see me? Yeah, him gone active. Him gone no virgin. Him gone fuck enough pussy. Fuck up enough pussy. You know what I mean?
Any gun with up on the artist. I feel up dopey like my gold gathering. Mama just a share my way with the brightness. Watch it make me flap a light post with that tall clip. Tell me I
Blood clot.
just a share my way with the brightness. Watch it make me flap a light post with that tall clip. Tell me
Watch it make me flap a light post with that tar clip. Watch it make me flap.
any gun with up on the artist. I feel up dopey like my gold gathering. Mama just a share my way with the brightness. Watch it make me flap a light post with that tall clip. Tell me
Watch it make me flap a light post with that tar clip. So he might tell us say, yo, no matter how you're big, no matter how you're tall, clip can race out in your hand down your blood clot. That he must say right, alright? Think so.
Mama just a share my way with the brightness. Watch it make me flap a light post with that tall clip. Tell me iPhone smarter than a canatist. Benz light bright but a blood clot darkness.
iPhone smarter than any can artist.
Tell me iPhone smarter than a canatist. Benz light bright but a blood clot darkness. Yeah.
Ben's like bright but a blood clot dark is darky no.
Force match with any top. No ask for the gun pan belly for. One law boss, no replica. Girl them no hate me like Mr. Techie back.
No.
Yo panda, Louis V shades, check your details. 𝐑𝐂𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, you can't full of females. Book a villa with pool and beach near. Rifle power, man, I see it.
Rifle power. Brah! No, or never. Me not done it. Me not done it.
Very good.
Awesome, I enjoy himself though. I like to see more time enjoy himself. You don't know. The Labas spare that. My boss drop off. Yeah, the boss are fret. But glad to see them out there, man, them dog, them, and them have a good time, and them a smile, you know, because you know, so we don't see that side there, Alabas too tough, you know. So when we get something like this, we have to really appreciate it and love it and know, say, yo, there's Labas that you see me. So, you know, Labas by a man and him going back to him darkness again, because the man didn't really too see the light. You see me? The man does dark man does dark one night time, you see it. Yo, Labas are bad artist still. We know that lyricist overdrive. This is the reason why we cannot keep up with Labas, because Labas drop song a lot and all them song them bad. So if we react to one, people are going to say, yo, react to next one, react to next one, react to next one, react to next one. So we always going to react to Labas song them, because enough song him drop him in a react to still. But anyway, this is a very lead on still. Labas, big up yourself. Big up the Shane Creative, now or never. Big up the production team behind the one. This is a very lead on still. Enjoy the one. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe on there if you're new. And I'll see you in the next one.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst game, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.